Hi, I'm Charles with Cummins. Many people are looking to get out and explore the country in an RV, camper, or fifth wheel. In order to help you do so, we've compiled some tips to help keep you on the road longer with peace of mind, knowing you can utilize all the luxuries of an RV anywhere, anytime with the reliable power of an Onan RV generator. The first step to enjoying your RV experience with an Onan generator with convenience is to follow the safety precautions outlined in your operating manual and available on Cummins' website. Please read your generator operator's manual carefully so you understand all the precautions for safe, efficient operation. This includes an initial oil change after taking ownership of your new Onan RV generator to ensure optimal results. It is important to know your generator serial number and generator model and write down what serial number and model generator you have and whether or not it's diesel, liquid propane, or gasoline. This is typically located on the data plate, which varies by model. Each Cummins generator has a model spec number description, which is shown on the serial number tag attached to the generator. Here is a representation of the tag on an Onan RV QG4000. Note the highlighted letter code, in this case R, which denotes the specification type of the particular generator, which can then be referred to as spec R. This information is helpful in determining which parts to use for service or repair. Contact the Cummins authorized RV service location for maintenance or parts questions. Remember to always refer to the complete model, spec, and serial number of your Cummins RV generator. Genuine Cummins Onan Green Label parts give you the peace of mind to power your Onan generator as you need it. These replacement and maintenance products have been specially designed for use on your Onan RV generator to provide you with dependable power and performance of the life of your generator. They are available on shop.cummins.com and all Cummins distributor locations. Having basic maintenance items on hand like Onimax oil, fuel, and air filters, as well as spark plugs, ensure that wherever the open road takes you, your generator will be ready when you need it. Maintenance kits for almost all Onan RV generators contain all of the necessary maintenance items. Visit shop.cummins.com for all of your Cummins Onan Green Label parts needs.